Hey guys, Frozen here, bringing you another video. Today is an exciting one for you guys. I have Dota 2 here in the Source Engine 2. So, this is newly released today by Valve Corporation, as we know and love them. In typical Valve time kind of way, i.e. they just release it without saying anything. Good way of doing things, but you know, also kind of gives you no chance to get excited, you know. So the way you get this is you opt into the Steam beta update in your account settings under Steam, and then you go to Dota 2, you right click, you go to view downloadable content, and you click the install box here. So tick the install checkbox, and that will start a 5.5 gigabyte download, which contains the new Dota 2 ported to Source 2 engine client in an alpha state. So be careful about that one, guys. Probably don't want to use this to run the game properly and usually, but do so at your own risk. It features a lot of new features. So DirectX 11 renderer, 64-bit client, much faster loading times, these kind of advantages. Now, if you want to find it, you go to your Steam apps, you go to Common, you go to Dota 2 Beta, you go to Dota_UGC, which I presume stands for user-generated content. Go to Game, go to Bin, Win64. And in here, you can actually see that there's a lot of files relating to the Source Engine 2. So here you can see engine2.dll, obviously relates to Source Engine 2. If we want to compare here, and we go to a normal game file folder, blah blah blah. There, okay, I actually don't know where these files are, but it's okay. It's okay, guys. We can find it somewhere. Okay, here. Engine.dll, so that's an older version of the engine. So bin, Win64, here we are. Engine2.dll, and where are you? vphysics2.dll. There's a lot of files here relating to Source Engine 2. That's how we know it's running Source Engine 2. Material System2.dll. Maybe they're moving to material-based rendering. That would be cool. Or physically based rendering. That would be great. So yeah, as you can see, there's also Direct 3D11 related DLL system files here. Now to run the game in 64-bit mode with Source 2 engine goodies on, you want to double-click this exe right here. And this, when I double-click this, I'll move to Fraps because for some reason this isn't recording. But yeah, BRB. Hey guys, and welcome to Dota 2 running in Source Engine 2. And here to greet you is this creepy-ass head that Valve insists on using. Here we see the new console for Source Engine 2, I believe. It looks pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie, there's a lot of colors going on there. They're very colorful and interesting, no doubt these colors actually mean something, but I'm too stupid to realize. Yeah, this is the game. Looks exactly the same. Pretty much everything looks exactly the same, which kind of shows that Valve have done a good job already porting the whole game to 64-bit version and the new engine. If you go to Task Manager, you can actually see the game running in 64-bit mode, which the original Source Engine would not be able to do. So I mean, they've done a lot of work just to get the game running to this point, to be honest. Now, I think you can find a match in this game, but I wouldn't recommend trying to actually play the game on this. It's a little bit unstable, and who knows how it's going to work. No thanks, dude. Not right now. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see here, it's to be Zapeg keyed. I have no idea what that means. But yeah, so don't fiddle with this probably. So what we're gonna do today is I'm just making sure I'm running on full graphics settings. Yep, so everything's on. Yep, turn on. I'm not sure if did that save. No, apparently that doesn't save, so maybe those features don't work right now or something. Another feature that doesn't actually work is that if you want to watch a replay, I downloaded this one earlier, click watch replay, it doesn't actually load properly. So I guess playback doesn't work in the Source 2 version of the game, but some things do work. So what I'm going to show you is a practice with bots session. So I'm doing hard bots because I'm crazy hardcore, great at this game. Just kidding. So as you can tell, the game loads ridiculously fast in Source Engine 2. Look at that. That was instantaneous, and really impressive. because Source Engine 1 never loaded that quickly, ever. So I'm going to do random here, and as you can see, I got Sand King. Not my worst hero, not my best.
Of the desert.
Guides and stuff do work in this mode, as you can tell here. And yeah, there is the console.
Prepare for battle.
If anyone wants to do crazy console stuff. Bots are really nice. They always buy a courier, but don't buy wards. So that's a pity. All right.
Granted.
I'm gonna go ward. I'm not gonna play much of the game. I'm just gonna show you guys that it's pretty much exactly the same, and it does work. I have had a crash or two from when I was alt-tabbing quite a lot when I was fiddling around with it, but as far as I can tell, you can pretty much play the game this way. I mean, it has good performance.
30 seconds
it runs
to battle.
DirectX 11 now and 64-bit, so performance would be expected to be higher. It is an alpha version of the game. It's not optimized
I shift like the sands.
At some point. You guys have to look forward to Gamescom coming up this year.
Already
this month actually. It's gonna be Valve is having a standard Gamescom. It's like August the 14th that it begins.
The battle begins.
Stuff on Source 2 because they did just release it today.
I am king now of all under attack.
In a kind of like sudden Valve time style way.
Onward.
Okay, I don't want to die.
Yes.
Overextend much, Chaos Knight.
Well and good.
Bots are so fun. I mean, they're so aggressive. Jeez.
More than right.
Okay.
To battle.
I'm gonna block his camp.
I will bury you. First blood.
Too easy.
Right.
Too easy.
First blood, and the atmosphere's electric.
Go, my friendly bot, Maurice. You got this, man. You think you can run from me, huh?
I'll send you down to nothing.
Anyway, as you can see, I mean, it runs, everything works. I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same as the Source Engine 1
Yes,
version of all the
indeed.
assets. All the textures are the same. The lighting even seems the same. I mean, it's a
Your
lot of work
bottom
for sure to
tower
get
is
it
under
to
attack.
even run in 64-bit mode, when before it was not, and to have all the Source Engine 2 features there.
Sand
I'm sure they
King
rewrote a
cometh.
lot of the engine, but at the moment it doesn't use a lot of new actual features. So I'm pretty sure that later on we're gonna be able to see some exciting stuff, like the whole game being ported into Source Engine 2, for example, and new graphical features, etc., etc. That would be really awesome.
Sting.
Are you kidding me? Come on, Razor. What are you doing, Razor? Oh my god. That's infuriating. Anyway,
Missing bottom.
I like how I'm stealing the last hits. Even the bot is angry. So carry Sand King. It's a way to play, man. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching this video. I mean, like I said, stay tuned to Gamescom. Maybe Valve is going to come out with some news for the game. And yeah, this was Dota 2 running in Source 2. Not much more I can say, really. I don't know why I'm going over there. Pretty much all the same.
Grow a grain.
Yep, so if there's anything else you guys can tell me that I'm missing from the game running in Source 2 or anything like that, let me know, and I'll be sure to try and make a video on that. But yeah, as far as I know, I've covered everything, and I hope Valve will release properly very soon the rest of the game. So, yep, thanks and goodbye. By the way, guys, okay, I came back in the client and look at the store page. What the hell is that? Okay, I don't even know. Beautiful. It's I mean, that right there is contemporary modern art if I've ever seen it. And the Today page as well has a beautiful, inspirational squiggles that really show the meaning of life in brief images of contemporary modern art. Contemporary and modern mean the same thing, I'm aware. Anyway. Okay, yeah, I just had to show you that. It's pretty funny. I mean, if you explore all these things, there's a lot of emptiness, a lot of things that need work, but I mean, yeah, that's funny. It's a beautiful example of modern user interface design that you rarely see these days. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and see you.